Now, this is how we can upload a short, the short on the YouTube through the iPad. And let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the iPhone uploading is pretty simple because you can just open up the app, click the plus, and you can pick the short, right? So you can just upload it right away. But on the iPad, well, iPad is more or less considered to be like something like a computer, not really the full desktop, but it's not really a mobile device either, so it works a bit different, right? So you can open up the YouTube app, click the plus button, and click on a video. Make sure you have a vertical content ready, which you can then proceed to go with that. You can click on continue, whatever. But the point is that you want to make sure that the video is in the shorts format. So what you can do is to add the hashtag shorts in the description, and that this should be recognized as the short form content on the platform, right? So this is something which you can most definitely do, and that's how you can upload it there, not as a regular video. However, it is still better if you have the option to upload it from the phone. Like, you can share the finished video from the iPad to your phone, and as you can see, it is much easier that way. So if you have the option to, I would basically go with the phone version, because there you even have more effects and editing tools for that particular purpose. So depends on your setup, but I would go that route if I had the option to. Now, let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.